Is blockchain all hype? The kind of question every newbie in the crypto world poses is all this blockchain talk a real thing or just another techno idea exaggerated by the media? Our quick answer would be, hell yeah, it's the real deal. Nevertheless, it would be reckless to just trust this answer. So let's find out how blockchain technology has already changed the world and why it's worth learning more about it. What is blockchain, by the way? It's a new way of storing and sharing data inside a shared distributed system. You can think of blockchain as a database or a big ledger. Every page of this ledger, we'll call it a block, keeps information about a certain transaction, including a timestamp. But that's not all. Every block has its own hash and stores the hash of the previous block. It's what we call hashing. This way, all blocks of our database are connected in a sort of a chain. Before becoming a part of the chain, all blocks are going through a verification process called proof of work. Once a block is added, it can't be modified because the chain is not stored on a single server. Every computer in the network has its own copy of the whole ledger. This is the distribution part. And here goes the first reason why blockchains made a small revolution in finances. They allow us to create a ledger that can't be changed or corrupted in someone's interest. The security of blockchain databases stands on three pillars: hashing, proof of work, and distribution. Tampering with all of them is almost impossible and would require an enormous amount of resources. Who wouldn't be interested in such a secure ledger? Who uses blockchain and why? Cryptocurrencies were the pioneers of using shared distributed systems in finances. Actually, most of them are based on blockchain technology. Among other things, it guarantees the reliability of cyber transactions and allows the exclusion of the middleman. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many other currencies are public blockchains that allow anyone to join the network to access records, verify transactions, and do mining. However, it would be a big mistake to think that blockchain has its value only in the crypto world. Private blockchains have already made their way into the banking sector, especially in international payments and money transfers. Banks all over the world, even the central ones like the Bank of England, are creating and using blockchain-based solutions to keep up with the progress and offer their clients quick and reliable service. Furthermore, the use of blockchain is not limited to finances. Another domain where a secure and instantly accessible database is crucial for business is cargo and logistics. Getting rid of manual data entry and paper-based documentation saves both time and money. That's why a lot of companies, including DHL, UPS, and IBM, are making their own blockchain-based tracking applications. Who else? Healthcare, insurance, energy, real estate, media, even governments are profiting from benefits of shared distributed systems. Blockchain voting is now a reality, and the list of the businesses and institutions interested in this new type of secure ledger will only grow over time. What about money? If you still aren't convinced that blockchain is the real deal, have a look at some numbers. The size of the blockchain technology market has already grown from $488 million in 2017 to $3.67 billion in 2020. Estimates for the next few years are even higher, and I mean much, much higher. Although the numbers may differ, it seems that nobody doubts that this market will continue to grow. And let's not forget that the cryptocurrency market, which is mostly based on blockchain technology, is also on the rise. It has recently hit the cap of $2.02 trillion. Quite a valuable hype, don't you think? So, let's sum up. Blockchain is a relatively new but unique, efficient, and most importantly, secure technology already adapted by different sectors of economy. It is a useful tool for many businesses and the underlying basis for the cryptocurrency market. By understanding blockchain, one can understand how crypto money is created and protected and therefore make wise decisions in that field. And even if there was a bit of overhyping some time ago, in 2021 we are quite sure blockchain is not something that's going to be forgotten in a couple of years. That's all for today's video. I hope you find it interesting and helpful. Let me know what you think about blockchain in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.